Right, a little update on the Grand Tour. I did some tests and there's a regulator there, 3 pins. And what I seen is that there was a voltage drop about 4 or 5 volts, but it should be 13. So what I did is I used my trusty smoke and solder and resoldered the joints, including the one here what is doing to the switch, because I was not sure where it exactly was. The only thing what I could see was a voltage drop when the display wasn't coming on what it does now. You see, so seems to be alright, but yeah, I need to do a bit more further testing, and then if it does work, then my multimeter should give a good reading. Okay, just a little on the front, and here is some stations on the 20 meters. Alright, bye for now.